everyone once again. I congratulate Spade for the kind of work that they are doing and the kind of good environment, good ambassador programs that they have come up. This is really good, fantastic, and something which is a need of the hour. Especially the age group they're talking about. Generally, people talk about the age group of 15 to 25, 30 or something, but they have spread the umbrellas, or they have increased the spread, and they're covering from when somebody who is of age of 5 years, 25 years. That's really wonderful, right? So, do you think social media is the way forward to find jobs, even to find life partners, to find a career, to make a career? Do you think social media is something which is going to propel, or is definitely taking over the conventional ways of doing things? How many of you agree? Why LinkedIn? Why only LinkedIn? Why not Facebook? Why not Twitter? Why not Instagram? Guys, understand one thing. Life is about evolution. What you do every single day is more important than what you do in a lifetime. If you think, so you are in first year, you are in second year, मेरे को क्या करना है LinkedIn अभी करके? No, it does not work that way. No, you have to start building your profile right now. So when you need, if you nurture your profile like a small plant, it is going to give you food, it is going to give you fruits, it is going to give you a lot of benefits when your profile grows, right? So every single day, it is important to work on your profile. Almost everything is going to move. Everything is going to move towards LinkedIn or towards social media platform. Now, answer this question of mine. If you have two candidates, same CGPA, same university, same or similar type of internship of two students, how do the recruiters differentiate? Their interview goes same. How do the recruiters differentiate? So there is no magic wand. They go by the projects, they go by the interview, and in current situation, they are going by the kind of digital profile you are maintaining. Because it is easier for him to go to your LinkedIn profile and check what you are doing rather than wasting time to call you and check or discuss with you what kind of things you have done. Even before, you have put so many things in your resume, but a LinkedIn is your live resume. It's a live resume, right? So it makes more sense for the person. It makes more sense to have your LinkedIn in an updated manner, put all your projects there, have it in the right shape. So if anybody is expecting to give you an opportunity, they can go to your LinkedIn profile and validate what you have done. Okay, so let the game begin. Let's talk about our first agenda, which is understanding your TG. TG stands for target audience. Okay. Before that, what is your objective? Why do you want to do it? What is your objective? Why do you want to do it? Do you want to create a personal brand? Are you seeking job or internships? Are you generating leads as a freelancer? What is your objective? That is something which is extremely important for you to understand. Now, don't expect LinkedIn to do magic for you, right? You can only talk about or only work on one objective. If you're thinking that you can solve multiple objectives, no, it is not possible. It is not possible at all. You have to come up with one clear objective that you want to serve, that you want LinkedIn to take care of, right? You will simply be a jack of all trades if you keep on expecting LinkedIn to take care of your multiple, multiple objectives. One objective, do you want to create a personal brand? I want to create a personal brand. My LinkedIn, if you see, is directed towards that. And I'm focused on posting, connecting with people and creating a personal brand. Are you a fresher? Are you looking for internships, jobs? So your LinkedIn, your target audience will be in accordance to that. Or are you a freelancer? Are you a very good coder looking for a coding profile? or a coding assignment, or are you a digital marketer? Are you somebody who is working for an organization like Spade, who is looking for to interact, to collaborate with colleges? What do you want to do? Define one objective. One. You cannot go beyond that. Beyond that, you will screw up your LinkedIn. It will not yield any benefits. Be sure that you are only focused on one objective. Ask yourself, how do you define your objective? How do you define your target audience? Guys, this is very important. I had to remove so many connections because I did not understand my target audience properly. I don't want most of you to do that, so please understand it carefully, right? You have to have a very what should I say, a focused target audience. The first few connections are extremely important. Ask yourself, who can you help? You will think I'm a fresher, who can I help? Right? Who can I help? You can help a company find a good candidate. I mean, it's not you only who is looking for a job. Company is also looking for good candidates. Who can you help? What can you help them with? How can you help them with? You look at my profile, I am very sure I can help recruiters find good people. I can find students find or interns find good jobs. Okay, so my target audience revolves around the placement segment. What I can help them achieve? I can help them get good placements, or I can help interns get, or freshers get good opportunities. How can I get that? By connecting them with the companies. I'm connecting with the companies, I'm connected with the candidates, I can connect both of them. That is one objective I am trying to solve with my LinkedIn profile, and I connect with relevant people only. What could be the examples? I help businesses generate more leads. I help colleges get more admissions. I help automate your digital marketing process. It could be anything. It could be anything. Most of you, if you're thinking on entrepreneurial lines, you can be a startup, right? During COVID, now you see there's long waiting line. So there are so many softwares that are coming up, which are helping people find parking places, which are helping people find restaurant bookings, and so many other things, right? So you have to understand what you can help people with. This does not mean that your headline has to start with help or whatever, but it has to be in a way that you're contributing to the people and not asking people to give you anything. Be very sure of that. And your first few connections, first 3,000-4,000 connections, I would say, for a fresher, are extremely important. Extremely important. Okay. So who can you help? What you can help them with? How you can help them? Make sure that your target audience or your objective, it revolves around your objective. Don't connect aimlessly with people. Anybody who is not active on LinkedIn is a waste. What do you want to do with that connection, right? It is not a casual meeting. If people are not engaging with your content, people are not serving you, or you are not able to service them, there is no point having that person in your connection list. Be very sure of that. I had to remove so many connections. I don't want you to do that. So start in a smart way. Make sure that your connections are good, if are relevant to you, and if they engage with you, then in future it serves you a lot. Let's take one example. If you're looking for a job, who is your target audience? So as far as I'm concerned, it would be your talent acquisition leads. Perfect. Talent acquisition leads, that is the HR managers. You connect with them, you engage with them, you try and see that your profile stand out. If they need someone for a specific profile, they should always think of you. Second, which most of you are missing, which you have not mentioned here, is people who are in similar roles. Digital marketer should connect with a digital marketer. A computer science guy should connect with a computer science guy of a different college. How many of you are connected with people of different colleges who you don't know in person, but you see them doing fabulous stuff? If you come across news of any college or anyone who has got somebody placed at a good package, do you connect to them? Do you write to them? Do you connect with people who are influential? Do that. So I believe there are three target audience for you. One is the hiring manager, somebody looking for a technical profile. CTO is a target audience for you. Somebody looking for a marketing role. CMO, chief Marketing officer is a target audience for you. Second target audience for you would be the similar people who are looking out for jobs. You help them, they help you, right? Somebody who is in fourth year in any other top college, you connect with that person. And third is a gold mine for which you can LinkedIn is the people who are higher, a step higher than you, your alumni. LinkedIn has amazing search capabilities. Go to LinkedIn search, type university as your university, company as your dream company, and the list of people who are in your dream company and have graduated from your college will come up. And that is going to help you, right? So understand your target audience is extremely important.